Cancer, hi, welcome to your August reading 2021. This is a general read for you, but it will have leanings on love, relationships, career, finances, etc. So, I'll pull out an oracle card for you first, and then we'll go get into the tarot reading. So, the oracle card for you for August 2021. Imagine. So imagine is number 20, and it is all about visualizing what you want to bring about into manifestation. I think 24th I think is a day for intense manifestation, and this is it's going to be a special, I think, day for magical manifestation of what you want. So this imagine card speaks about thinking about what you want and visualizing it so that you can manifest it into reality, and it will be only what is beneficial for you, which can be brought about, and which is most practical and realistic, you know but don't give up. See what you want and try to visualize it so that you can manifest it. All right, so just to get into the tarot reading, yeah, I'll pull a card for your recent past, and then your present, and what is coming ahead for you in August. So in your recent past, the Knight of Cups. The Knight of Cups, slow moving energy, but something very emotionally fulfilling in the recent past. Now in the current, it is the Seven of Wands and the Three of Cups in the reverse. The Seven of Wands and the Three of Cups in the reverse. All right, so what's coming towards you in August? What's coming towards you? The Eight of Swords. This is coming towards you, Cancer. So, as I see, the end of the deck is the Knight of Wands. So, in the recent past, you had an association which was which was not moving or slow at all, or slow moving, but this was a sincere offer of something that was quite emotionally satisfying and making you happy. Or it could have been your energy, giving this sort of emotional and happiness to somebody else. In the current, you are standing up for something that you think is not up to your standards, and you are saying no to some sort of a celebration or joy or happiness. I think this is a third party situation. Because it's in the reverse, Three of Cups in the reverse, it could also mean that somebody else was involved. The relationship could have been a bit crowded, or this indicates the end of a celebration or joy. Now what's coming towards you is the Eight of Swords, which is a feeling of mental feeling of being entrapped in a situation wherein you're not actually trapped. There is a pathway out for you, but you feel you're trapped. But let's see why this is so for you. Let's get clarifiers. Now, why is the Knight of Cups over here? The Knight of Cups. For Cancer, Knight of Cups. Why is the Knight of Cups over here for Cancer? I believe in your past readings, there was also an indication of something better coming for you. So you have not really gone past that energy of feeling entrapped. The Hierophant. So Knight of Cups explained by the Hierophant. So you were in a committed kind of a relationship with someone, or or you were like, you were in a job which was basically the reason for your happiness or emotional fulfillment. But I think this is more or less a relationship or an or a affair of the heart, in which there was a commitment. Both of you felt committed to each other. Okay, let's get two more cards, or one more card at least, to explain further. The Hierophant indicates structure. Lovers. Yeah, this is lovers. So basically, this is definitely a relationship of the heart, wherein which was and at the bottom of the deck, it's the Ten of Cups. So you were in a happy family situation, happy and stable. It could not be stable, but it was definitely very. It was generating a lot of happiness for you, a lot of joy, and this was a committed marriage or relationship. Now in the current, you're defending, or you're standing up for what you believe, or you're fighting against something which you feel is not up to standards. And this could be something which is the end of celebrating together. Okay, something, it could be a third party situation, but let's see. Why is the Seven of Wands over here? Why is the Seven of Wands over here? So I see you being in the defensive. Death. So you feel that something has come to an end, or something has to come to an end, and that there has to be a change. So you're fighting for that. Yeah. There is a breakup. Sorry, I keep saying breakage. There is a breakup here in a happy family situation, and it was most probably somebody from the outside, a third party, probably which was responsible for this. And probably you want an end to this situation. You're waiting for some results to come in, something that could make you happy again. There is definitely a breakup over here, or a temporary split or separation from whoever you were connected with. Let's see why the Eight of Swords is here. Eight of Swords is what is coming towards you in August, and this is a feeling of being entrapped in a situation. You feel that life has something to challenge you with. Okay, and it is explained by the Chariot. So you're moving ahead. You are feeling trapped, and you want to move ahead. You want to move on. You want to kind of isolate yourself and think. You want to move on from the situation. So I feel definitely there was a spiritual connection which made you very happy in the past, but is now marred by some sort of an external entanglement. Let's see why the Three of Cups in the reverse is here. One more card for the Eight of Wands. So Eight of Wands definitely speaks about action, or which was action on something. But with the Three of Cups reversed, it was probably someone taking action on this end of a happy situation. Okay, somebody's taking action here, and I think it is you, and you're moving away from this situation. All right, now let's see why the card Imagine is here. Why is Imagine here? Why is the card Imagine here? Imagine is visualization, manifestation of an outcome that you want to bring about. Okay, so I feel, Cancer, you're moving away from something that made you really unhappy, and you are tensed about this. Probably this was not a very stable situation to be in, and you are manifesting a new beginning for yourself. Something new is coming towards you, definitely. I think the past two readings also indicated that. But let's see why Imagine is here. Justice and the Wheel of Fortune. So you're moving towards a new change in luck. You're going to get your justice. Whoever has given that injustice to you is going to face their karma, and it's going to be you're going to be fine, Cancer. Don't worry at all. Don't stress out. Okay, so I wish all the best for you, everything good and nice for you. God bless, and I'll see you around by the mid of August.